First Bank Robbery accused Royden Sebastien has been remanded to prison until he reappears before Magistrate's Court on February 21st. 28-year-old Royden Sebastien appeared before Magistrate Tamia Richards on Tuesday, January 24th. Acting Principal Crown Counsel Tiffany Scatliffe, in reading out the allegations, said that Sebastien and other unknown persons robbed First Bank of over $31,000. Presenting the details of what happened during the bank robbery on July 26, 2010, Tiffany Scatliffe told the court that the bank's assistant manager, after hearing a loud noise, looked up and saw three masked men with what appeared to be rifles ordering people to get on the ground. Two of the men jumped behind the counter and demanded money from the tellers. The assistant manager went to the back and pushed the panic button. Constables Calwood and Mattal, who were on patrol in Road Town, were the first to arrive on the scene. Two of the bank robbers were described to be around 5 feet 5 inches and medium built, while the other was approximately 6 feet tall. Their faces were covered with what appeared to be masks made from t-shirts. It was revealed that a gray SUV was observed parked near the entrance to the bank around 7:20 that morning. And later that morning, a gray Suzuki Vitara rental was discovered parked along McNamara with the engine still running and the right rear tire deflated. No one was found at the scene, but a mask was recovered from the vehicle. The vehicle had also been reported missing that same day. A few days after the bank robbery on July 30th, Sebastien was arrested on suspicion of robbery but was released as the investigations continue. Preliminary forensic tests revealed Sebastien's fingerprints in the interior of the vehicle. Scatliffe said that they are waiting on DNA reports conducted on the items the robbers left behind to determine whether or not the DNA matches Sebastien's. The Crown objected to bail on the grounds that the offense is a serious one. Sebastien is considered a flight risk with ties to St. Croix. The other assailants are still at large, and there are several witnesses involved in the case. While before the magistrate, Sebastien was also asked to plead to the charge of cultivation of cannabis as well as the charge of possession of cannabis. He pleaded guilty to both charges. His sentencing for those offenses takes place on January 31st. Meanwhile, he is expected to appear before Magistrate's Court on February 21st as the First Bank robbery case continues.